First things first, before you even log onto LegalZoom, there's some critical pre-dissolution groundwork you need to handle. This isn't just about LegalZoom. These are fundamental steps for any business dissolution, regardless of how you process the paperwork. Step 1. Make the formal decision to dissolve. This might seem obvious, but it's more than just a thought. For formal business entities like LLCs and corporations, the decision to dissolve must be officially documented. For LLCs, consult your operating agreement. It will outline the specific procedures for dissolution, usually requiring a vote of the members. Document this vote in a written resolution. For corporations, refer to your corporate bylaws. Typically, the board of directors will vote to recommend dissolution, and then shareholders will need to approve it. Record these votes in meeting minutes and a formal resolution. This formal decision is crucial because it provides the legal basis for all subsequent actions and will likely be requested by LegalZoom or state agencies. Step 2. Notify creditors and settle debts. This is perhaps one of the most critical steps to protect yourself from future liabilities. You need to inform all your creditors, suppliers, lenders, landlords, etc., that your business is ceasing operations. Send written notice. Send formal written notices to all known creditors, explaining your intent to dissolve and providing a deadline for them to submit claims for payment. State laws often dictate the required notice period, which can be anywhere from 90 to 180 days. Resolve debts. Prioritize paying off all outstanding debts. If you don't have enough funds, consider negotiating with creditors for reduced payments or seeking legal counsel if bankruptcy is a consideration. Failing to properly notify and pay creditors can lead to lawsuits against you personally, even if you operate an LLC or corporation. Step 3. Handle taxes and obtain tax clearances. Your business has tax obligations right up until its official dissolution. Federal taxes. File your final federal tax returns. For LLCs, this might involve a final Schedule K-1 for each member. For corporations, a final corporate income tax return is required. Make sure to check the final return box on your forms. If your business had employees, you'll also need to manage final payroll tax obligations. You'll also want to close your employer identification number, EIN, account with the IRS. State and local taxes. Contact your state and local tax authorities to determine any outstanding obligations. Many states require a tax clearance certificate or consent to dissolution from their tax department, verifying that all state taxes have been paid before they will approve your dissolution filing. This certificate often needs to be submitted along with your articles of dissolution, sales tax, unemployment tax, etc. Don't forget to address all other types of taxes relevant to your business, such as sales tax, unemployment tax, and any other local levies. Step 4. Notify licensing authorities and cancel permits. Any federal, state, or local licenses and permits your business held need to be canceled. This includes general business licenses, professional licenses, and any specific permits related to your industry. If you had a doing business as DBA name, you'll also want to cancel that registration. Step 5. Wrap up financial affairs. Before the final dissolution, ensure all financial loose ends are tied up. Collect receivables. Make every effort to collect any outstanding payments owed to your business. Liquidate assets. Sell off inventory, equipment, and any other business assets. Distribute remaining assets. Once all debts and taxes are paid, any remaining funds or assets are distributed to the business owners according to your operating agreement or bylaws. Close bank accounts. After all financial transactions are complete and assets distributed, close your business bank accounts. Now that you've done the essential preparatory work, it's time to see how LegalZoom fits into the picture. LegalZoom simplifies the formal filing of your dissolution paperwork with the state. Using LegalZoom to dissolve your business. LegalZoom offers a straightforward online process for dissolving various business entities, including LLCs, corporations, and nonprofits. Here's a general overview of what you can expect. Select your service. On LegalZoom's website, navigate to their business operations or closing your business section and select the dissolution service. They typically offer different packages, ranging from standard filing to more comprehensive concierge services that include white glove support. Provide business information. LegalZoom will ask you a series of questions about your business to generate the necessary dissolution documents. This typically includes your business legal name and entity type, LLC, corporation, etc., the state where your business was formed, your Secretary of State entity filing number, your principal business address, information about your registered agent, names and addresses of your ownership and management personnel, confirmation that your business has paid its debts, and whether there are any pending lawsuits. LegalZoom prepares documents. Based on your answers, LegalZoom will prepare the articles of dissolution or similar document, depending on your state and entity type. This is the official document that informs the state of your intent to cease legal existence. Review and sign. You'll be given the opportunity to review the prepared documents for accuracy. Once satisfied, you'll sign them, often electronically. LegalZoom files with the state. LegalZoom will then file your articles of dissolution with the relevant state agency, usually the Secretary of State. They handle the submission, tracking, and communication with the state on your behalf. This is where their value truly shines, as navigating state-specific forms and filing procedures can be complex and vary significantly. Receive filed documents. Once the state processes and approves your dissolution, LegalZoom will send you the filed documents, confirming that your business is officially dissolved. This typically takes a few weeks to several months, depending on the state's processing times and the package you chose. Expedited options are often available for an additional fee. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.